Last week on Cibel Pascal Productions.
Oh my God. Guys, so this is the first thing you see when you walk in. That is the mirror that my sweet mate Adona put up. Very nice. And then we have our shoes. Ta-da! This is what you'll see when you first walk in. This is general overview of my room. Let's start here. This is my closet space. And as you can see, I just have a few bags and purses hanging here. Take them off because we're kind of limited on storage space here. But I have like a windbreaker, an Adidas thing, and then I have like my bathrobe, a little hand purse that kind of fits the 90s vintage aesthetic. Thank you, Mom's Closet. I have all of my, this is my winter coat. It gets really cold in Boston and Cambridge in the winter. And then I have like my summer dress that I wore when I went to Cannes. And I have like my men's blazer, which is from my father's closet. I asked them beforehand if they wanted it. The thing is, you have to ask beforehand. Then I have my favorite trench coat, which I love, just some cool clothing items. I have this beautiful, beautiful black cocktail dress. My favorite Chinese qipao that was my grandmother's. A bunch of other really cool clothing items, which I'm sure you guys will get to see soon. Let me know if you want like a formal outfits video at Harvard. And then up there we have just some cleaning supplies, an extra plastic bag. You know, every Asian household has those. Over here, on top of my dresser, commode. This is a painting that was done by my grandfather, and it's supposed to be me with some mystery man who has yet to come into my life. Then we have these like mugs that I got, which I can use for hot chocolate, hot water. I'm a singer, so I often have to heat up my own hot water. And then I have some plates and some utensils here and a hot water jug. To anyone going into college, I highly recommend you get one of these. I'm not sure if we're actually allowed to have it, but let's just say for the time being that we are. This is my clothing drawer. Up top we have underwear, bras or something like that. Then we have pants. Then we have short shirts, t-shirts. Then we have like long t-shirts, like long sleeve things. And then I think in the bottom we have like, this is what happens when you, this is the effects of consumerism. Then this is sweaters, I think. This is like my Harvard gray one. It's a little bit of a mess, but it's concealed from eye, so that's all that counts. We can move to this area of my room. We have, thank you very much. Some of my perfume, Amazing Grace, La Petite Robe Noire, which is for my grandmother. I highly recommend the scent Ballet Rose. It's very, very good. It has like a very sweet feminine smell. And then this is some Rupa relaxing mist that you can spray on your pillow before you go to bed. Thank you, Mother. And then thank you so much to Prada Beauty for sending me Prada Paradoxe. It comes in this like beautiful like diamond shaped Prada perfume bottle. Oh my god, it smells divine. Guys, the secret to, you know, being that girl is having a signature scent. Just invest in like one great perfume and wear that one, and that becomes your signature scent. And then I also have Fragonard, Belle Chérie. This is like a nighttime Prada Paradoxe. It's kind of like sensual, it's more sultry, and this one's more daytime, summertime, very sweet, very delicate. This one's kind of a fresh out of the shower smell, if you will. And then this is the perfume that I made going to the Fragonard factory in Grasse, France for your room. It's got a lot of citrus in it. So this is kind of my skincare area. face wash. I'll typically go in with Egyptian skin cream in the morning. Then I'll put on my Eau Thermale Aven sunscreen. Then I'll go in with this facial spray thing. This is for my hands, soft hands. Everyone kind of asked me, Sibel, why do you have such soft hands? It's because I put this on. And then this is for makeup removal. This is another hand skin cream thing. This is for acne blemish solutions, and this is a hair gel. These are my essential everyday products that I keep. And then here's where I keep most of my jewelry. To be honest, I only use the bottom drawer most of the time. It's kind of a mess, but I love to go in with like a simple little like diamond look, or the paperclip look, or the hoops, or the current ones I'm wearing right now from Ana Luisa. Those are great. And then these are my daily probiotics. And then some of these are just my school books that I like to keep. Okay, on to this section of my room. I recommend, if you're going to college, get a lot of these cubbies that you can just put into a shelf thing going on, because you're gonna need a lot of different essentials. You know, it's skincare, healthcare, makeup for anyone who wears makeup. This is kind of like my first aid kit. I have some COVID tests in here, some extra toothpaste, Band-Aids, so if I ever scrape or cut myself, I've actually used it before. This is where I keep some hair care, some skin care. I have some gold eye masks, some Korean face masks, thank you to my god sister Natasha. And then I have some more facial mist and sunscreen and a hat. And then this is where I keep all my makeup. This is the stuff I use, makeup remover wipes, and this is like, this is stuff I don't really use, but I could use at one point. That's where I keep all my extra bags, plastic and whatnot, reusable. This is where I keep my pipalu. Anybody who grows up in an Asian household, you know what I mean. This is the stuff that you take when you're sick. You just take a spoonful of it, put it in your mouth. Then I have a hot water bottle for cramps, and then I have detergent, nail polish remover, more period products. That's a scale. Onto this side of my room. My mother was very, very generous, and she got me a beautiful memory foam mattress. So I keep the extra one from Harvard right here. So if anybody like coming from a different school or one of my friends wants to sleep over, I can just pull out this mattress, and I have another set of sheets that they can use. These are some like really nice white sheets that I got. This is a Harvard blanket. I have 2 pillows. And then on the side, I have this white noise machine. I have an eye mask, and then this is for like if you have puffy eyes in the morning, you can put this in the fridge, or you can heat it up. It could be hot or cold. And I highly recommend this for anybody who has like long nights, gets puffy really easily, or even if you have like a sty or an eye infection, if you put this on your eye, it will help numb it. This is my favorite thing to do before bed. I highly recommend. I have my gratitude journal. I've been writing in it every single day since the beginning of August, and it's really helped me develop a good mindset and bring more good things into my life. I have keys here, my phone, I have an umbrella, and then a little stuffed animal for my friend Bex. Thank you so much for that. So that's that part. You can see I kind of put this like wall decal up, which adds a really nice touch, and from afar it kind of looks like somebody hand painted it on. I put this little like accordion fan thing up, and somebody had already left like a command hook there, so I just put it on top of that. As you can see, I have these LED lights surrounding it. Don't even ask me how I got that up. I literally had to stand on this chair right here and basically fold it around the entire room. That was like the most painful process. Genuinely the most painful process. Yeah. Radiator heater thing over here because it gets really cold in the winter. There's a lot of like chipped paint here, but I have a beautiful view overlooking the yard. The sun's starting to set. That pull down shade thing doesn't really work. I rolled it up so you can't really see it. But thankfully my window's kind of high so nobody can see in at nighttime. Air purifier that came with the room. If you're also going to college or if you're living in any apartment, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get extension cord block things that you can put a lot of different technology into. Now, if you're wondering what this big thing is, this is bathrobe, actually, on top of a microwave. It just doesn't look very aesthetic, so I just cover it up. Genuinely, I just cover it up because it's kind of ugly without it. Fridge over here. This is my desk area. I wrapped it in like this marble paper thing. I have a really nice inspirational quote. my speaker, which I use every morning to listen to music. I have tissues for allergy season, a stapler, a notepad. Guys, it has my name on it. So thank you to Papier for sending that over. Pencils, pens, highlighters, tape, a ruler, stationery to write letters on. I absolutely love writing letters to people. It's my love language, really. I think it's something that's outdated to many, but I find it kind of romanticizes life a bit up. And then I have this rest of this mural thing on my wall. I'll put the link in the description. And here I just have like this random desk chair. I have my blazer, over it my bag, and then in each drawer I have more stationery, my passports. Here I have food, Clorox wipes because it's good to stay clean. I have tea, highly recommend you get tea, and cough drops and whatnot, and salt and honey and all that good stuff. Then here I have like all this technology, extra stuff, recording equipment and whatnot. And then I have a trash can and then like an extra water box thing. And then under here on my desk, iPad, I have my daily, weekly planner, my full-length mirror. I can use it to check my outfit in the morning. Do I look cute? Do I not look cute? Was it as I envisioned in my head? And then you have to obviously keep this clean a lot. Funny story, this door leads to the next suite. There's no actual lock, but basically this alarm goes off if you try to open it, and somebody from the other side tried to open it, and boy, oh boy, it was so freaking loud. And I was like, it's 9 a.m. Why you gotta do this right now? So we don't open this door, but I have this little lamp here on the side. I'm trying to get as much light as possible. I'm actually gonna probably ask the school for a desk lamp because I know they distribute them to students. And I'm just trying to be cost efficient with this. Moving on to the next part of my room, this is the unofficial, official fireplace. This carpet is actually from my family. This is from my room at home, and I brought this because I was like, this is such a special part of home. The inspiration for this room was Chinese culture, Chinese heritage, and so I decided to bring this with me. This is a fireplace. They actually closed it off because, you know, fire hazards and burning down the building, and we won't want any of that, so we don't trust college students to actually do that, but I imagine at one point they did it. Here I have like a theater mask. I was supposed to use this for a masquerade ball, and I kind of like to keep this as decor, but also a reminder that I'm a very dramatic person in more ways than one. As you can see, I have two French vintage perfume ads. Poivre, Parfum de la Femme Moderne, Caron. It shows like one of those carriages in ancient China, and it shows the perfume bottle, and I actually really love this. And then Poivre, Nouveau Parfum à Succès de Caron. This is also another perfume bottle, and it's shaped like a Chinese lantern, and there's a dragon around it. And I think it symbolizes my identity really well because I'm both French and Chinese, which these ads are. Yeah. Wait, we're getting Kate's reaction to seeing my room. Keep your eyes better stay freaking closed.
Okay, they're closed.
Your eyes are closed. 2, 1.
Oh my god. Wait, it's gorgeous.
What do you think?
What the heck? This is like, oh my god, it's like aptly sized too.
I know.
Oh my god. For a second, I thought this was a double, like the two beds.
But then
I just realized that whole bed is just your desk. That's for you to do your work.
Look at this. Look at this mirror. These paintings.
Beautiful. Oh my god.
Isn't this the perfect place for like...
Well, you did well. You did so well.
I understood the assignment. Let me turn on the main light.
And like the arc of the roses too. Oh my god.
What do you think?
It's gorgeous.
Do you like the roses? Do you like the roses?
No, I love like the arc.
Yeah?
It's so beautiful. Oh my god, see Belle!
Are you gonna cry?